Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
You know, these pre-dawn hours are generally when our winds are the lightest, but now already an east wind blows in at about 10, so it will be a breezy day today, a breezy afternoon particularly, and tomorrow we'll kind of transition between breezy and even windy. We'll look for 75 degrees, the current air temperature. We have a east wind, as I mentioned, and we have a dew point value of 72. The east wind going to sling back some showers in our direction today, so we'll give it about a 60% chance of seeing some rainfall. Scattered at times, lots of cloud cover across the region. Cloud cover holding down our temperatures into the upper 80s most likely, and then dropping them down into the 70s as we head into the overnight, but probably high 70s because the cloud cover kind of keeping the heat of the day locked into our area. Scattered showers down to the south, all part of the circulation around Michael. An easterly wind also picking up some scattered showers off of the Atlantic coast and pushing them back in this direction. So the combination of those factors bringing us that chance of rainfall today. Watches and warnings have started to fly across the Florida Peninsula, the western part of the Florida Peninsula. Particularly, we have hurricane watches up for that area. For our area, we have tropical storm watches up for our area waters. We have a storm surge watch up for Tampa Bay. Could see perhaps another additional foot rise in tides as we head into particularly Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. And we also have rip current advisories, high surf advisories, small craft advisories. So anything associated with water in our area over the course of the next couple of days, and the winds are going to create for kind of hazardous recreational activities out on the waters. You just don't want to be out there. Otherwise, tropical storm force winds are not currently forecast for our area, though certainly it is possible. We have about a 30% chance of seeing some tropical storm force winds right along the immediate coast. A lot of it is going to depend on whether or not the storm tracks to the east of these computer models, or it stays to the west of these computer models, or it follows the center line. If it gets a little closer to us, we have a higher risk of seeing some tropical storm force winds. Certainly we could see some tropical storm force gusts right along the immediate coast, the Keys and areas of Manatee County along Tampa Bay. But the track does not include us in the cone currently. But remember, the cone is only a suggestion of where 2 out of 3 forecast track errors lie. There's that 30% chance that it could lie outside of that cone, so we'll keep an eye on this storm very carefully. Right now, though, forecast to go up toward Leon County, and most of the models do agree that it moves toward the northern Gulf Coast. Its closest path to us probably Tuesday night in through Wednesday, and then as we head into Wednesday night, it starts to make landfall to the north, and its impact on us less. So probably late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, the best chance for seeing our strongest winds. Even so, I don't think the winds will do damage. They could lead to some isolated power outages, though. We'll watch for that. Severe weather not forecast right now, though any landfalling storm has the potential of producing some isolated severe weather. 20-knot winds for us today. Obviously not a good day to be out on the water. Small craft advisories up 2 to 4 foot seas. Tomorrow into Wednesday, we could see those waves get as high as 10 feet. Looking for a 60% chance of rain showers today. Increasing rain shower chances for the next several days. 1 to 3 inches of rain. Then we get back to our average weather for the weekend.